Hello everyone, respected jury members and my dear friends. I am Brijesh Panda from Kendriya Vidyalaya Berhampur, Odisha, and I am glad to present my innovation that is Manure E, a solution for protecting our peripheral surroundings. So friends, now let us look into our problem statement. Being from a middle class urban family, many of us must have come across the problem of kitchen waste disposal, either due to the irregularity of the garbage picking vehicle or due to the lack of disposal areas. Even when we come across dump yard, the foul smell make us feel sick. So basically, the problem lies in the waste disposal. And what if I say we can convert those kitchen waste into manure for our home plants without causing any harm to Mother Nature in least time, reducing the foul smell and prohibiting the spread of lethal diseases. Here you can see that the dump yard causes pollution, spreads lethal diseases, and produces very bad foul smell. Here you can see that people are in need of regular composting, and the garbage picking vehicles are very irregular. And according to our market research, all the products that are available in the market aren't cost efficient at all. Now let us look into our survey that we have done. Here you can see that the majority of the people are in need of compost, and they are also facing problem while dumping waste. And this shows that there is need of product that can take regular input of waste and can produce manure at certain intervals. Here you can see that people have said the frequency of composting also. Now let us look into our solution part. So here you can see the schematic of our technological part that we are using for air circulation, for humidity maintenance, and we are providing a controlled environment overall. Here it is the sketch of our solution, and due to the lack of carpentry skill and technological skills, we are not able to devise our prototype. But here you can see our sketch, and our box is with three compartments. One is the technological part for temperature, humidity and airflow control. Second is for the microorganism that is present in liquid as well as mixed with soil. And you can keep this unit inside your home also, and it is totally for home use and can also be used commercially. So the microorganisms which we are using are used in three phases, that is mesophilic, thermophilic and the maturation part, and they need different temperatures, different humidity. Now, let us see our comparison. Our product, we are combining technology with conventional method of composting. We are cutting the cost expenses, and we are having regular intake of waste, and we produce manure at certain interval without any much foul smell or any diseases. Other products in our comparison are either totally conventional, and if not, then they are very high in cost. They are only for commercial uses, that is they are not affordable at all and cannot be installed indoors. They are not also having regular intake of waste. Now let us look into the marketing part and our expenses. So, according to our market study, here you can see some of the products that are in our competitive, and here we are showing you our company expense, that is for infrastructure, components and skill it's around 3000, and the variable cost, that is advertisement, research and development, marketing and employee salary is around 1000. So we are investing around 4000 per unit. Now we can also scale up, so that for that the fixed cost will be decreased, and in the variable cost also the advertisement and the research and development part will be constant. So the amount of our product will be reduced for the coming stages. Thank you.